Every egg tray begins with something most people throw away: waste paper. Tons of discarded paper are gathered before the recycling process even begins.
Before paper can become a new product, unwanted material must be removed.
Only suitable fiber-rich paper is allowed deeper into the factory. Mechanical sorting separates usable paper from material that could damage the machinery.
Even tiny contaminants must be removed before the paper reaches the pulping stage.
Now the recovered paper is ready for its first major transformation.
Inside the pulper, yesterday's waste paper begins its journey toward becoming millions of new egg trays.
The pulped paper now travels as a dense mixture of water and recovered fibers. Screening removes the last large contaminants hidden inside the recycled paper.
Fine screening creates a cleaner fiber suspension suitable for forming egg trays.
At this stage, operators check whether the recovered fibers are clean and consistent. Refining prepares the individual fibers to lock together into strong, molded paper products.
Water and fiber are balanced carefully to create the consistency needed for molding.
The prepara pulp is kept moving until the forming line is ready to use it.
With the fiber prepared, the factory is finally ready to give waste paper a new shape.
Behind these walls, recycled paper is about to become millions of protective egg trays. Every stage inside the plant is connected to one continuous production system. From the pulp room, the prepared fiber moves directly toward the molding line.
Here, water, fiber, vacuum, and precision machinery work together. The prepared pulp is now precisely delivered to the heart of the production line.
Now the first shape of an egg tray begins to appear.
Vacuum pressure pulls the recycled fibers tightly against the mold, creating the tray's recognizable geometry. In seconds, discarded paper has taken its first physical form as a new egg tray.
Each freshly molded recycled paper egg tray now moves toward controlled dewatering and preparation. Controlled pressure removes excess water while preserving every delicate molded shape.
At this checkpoint, damaged shapes are separated before them reach the finishing line.
Precise alignment keeps every recycled paper egg tray moving consistently through the factory.
From here, controlled airflow will remove the remaining moisture from the molded paper.
Inside the drying tunnel, heat and airflow transform the fragile wet tray into a stable paper product. As moisture falls, the recycled paper fibers lock into a stronger, permanent structure. The trays are now dry, stable, and ready for the next stage of high-volume production.
Once dry, every tray enters a carefully controlled finishing process.
Automated handling keeps thousands of identical, recycled paper egg trays moving at the same rhythm.
Sensors make sure every recycled paper egg tray reaches the next machine in exactly the right position.
Each finished tray is counted and organized for efficient handling.
Stacking turns individual trays into compact production units ready for the next stage.
Controlled compression gives the recycled paper egg tray stacks a uniform, transport-ready form.
Quality begins on the production floor, where every stack is visually checked.
From recycled fibers to finished stacks, the production line is now operating at industrial scale. At this stage, automation takes over repetitive, high-volume handling.
Precision alignment keeps every recycled paper egg tray package uniform.
Strong, controlled bundling keeps the recycled paper egg trays together during handling. Finished tray bundles now move toward organized industrial palletizing. Automated palletizing turns hundreds of individual recycled paper egg trays into manageable production loads. Every finished pallet is identified before leaving the production floor.
Once production is complete, each pallet enters the factory's material handling system.
Millions of recycled paper egg trays can now move efficiently from production to final handling. Now automation begins coordinating the finished recycled paper egg trays. Sensors and conveyors keep every finished pallet moving in the correct sequence.
Automated positioning keeps large quantities of recycled paper egg trays precisely organized.
Digital identification gives every pallet a traceable production history.
Protective wrapping keeps the recycled paper egg trays clean and secure during storage.
Identification labels ensure every recycled paper egg tray shipment can be tracked. Automated weighing provides another check before the finished pallets leave production.
From molding to automated handling, the recycled paper egg tray is now ready for final preparation.
Before shipment, every recycled paper egg tray batch receives one final preparation check.
Protective packaging is removed so the finished recycled paper egg trays can be inspected directly.
The finished tray must maintain its shape from every angle.
Uniform fiber density gives the recycled paper egg tray the strength needed to protect eggs.
Consistent dimensions ensure the trays fit perfectly into downstream handling and shipping systems.
Approved recycled paper egg trays are counted again and grouped into consistent quantities. Precise bundling prepares the recycled paper egg trays for their final inspection and shipment.
The data shows we can push this faster. Wait, look at that bundle. C, ensure the manifests are accurate before they head out.
Before shipment, every batch must prove that the recycled paper egg trays meet production standards.
Precise dimensions ensure every tray fits the eggs and the handling equipment correctly. Strength testing confirms that the molded fiber structure can withstand real handling pressure.
Visual inspection catches defects that machines alone cannot always detect.
Controlled moisture keeps the recycled paper egg tray stable during storage and transport. Sample testing helps confirm that the recycled fiber mixture remained consistent from batch to batch. Only batches that pass the complete inspection process are released for shipment.
After passing inspection, the recycled paper egg trays are officially ready to leave the factory. After passing inspection, each pallet is prepared for its final journey.
Inside the warehouse, thousands of finished recycled paper egg trays wait for distribution.
Organized storage keeps every recycled paper egg tray shipment ready when orders arrive.
When an order arrives, the finished trays move directly from storage to dispatch.
Carefully loaded pallets are secured for their journey to customers and distribution centers. Every pallet is secured, so the recycled paper egg trays arrive in the same condition they left the factory.
What began as discarded paper is now protecting products and returning to the supply chain.
And this is how modern factories produce recycled paper egg trays from start to finish.